Are you still using old ChatGPT for filling your writing purposes? Do you know that there are many other tools to do your job 10x better than ChatGPT? So today I am going to talk about one of these websites. So without missing any time, let's get started. Open Google and write rytr.me and hit the first result and open it. Even need to sign in with email account. And after that, you will see that you are able to control all the settings like your writing tone, like enthusiastic, convincing, assertive, and you have many options to choose from. What do you want to write, like email blogging, or so many other options have chosen email. And for example, I am taking is I have a fever and need holiday immediately, and I am choosing the tone convincing. As you can see, it has written a full email about my topic, and it will give you 2 options each time. Now you can copy and paste it and give it some changes, like put your applicant's name, and you send this email to your manager, aka boss. That's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to hit the bell icon and comment down below. From which country are you watching this video? And tell what video you want next.